Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. What might happen? What will happen actually this week? Last week, the market was like seriously crazy, guys. We saw the market was just going up and down, but it was because of some economic news that we had, FOMC or interest rate, and also other mixed high impact news. They made the market to go crazy, as we saw, and we had a mixed actually week. We took our losses and we also had some few profits here and there. But before we continue, guys, we'll have to check our economic news. And also, if maybe you did not see that, we have a very nice special for you. And let me just explain this. It's weekend. I don't think maybe everyone is in hurry. So, lifetime, this is actually a limited special, guys. It's $20, which means if you are in South Africa, it's around maybe 350, somewhere there, 350. So if you miss this, unfortunately, we will no longer go as low as this is a very, very, very short special. So on mentorship, guys, this is actually going to last 4 months. I'm going to teach you 4 months of mentorship from the strategy until you're able to take trades confidently. And yeah, if you want more, you'll just WhatsApp me. Prime EA, this one is auto trading, guys. You just plug and it will just do everything from the stop losses, take profits. It's auto. So you can just WhatsApp me here. Just let me know. On this one, guys, don't really miss these lifetime signals. Yeah, especially for you guys who are supporting me here on YouTube channel. Most of you always say, Kenzo, we need to join the team. I think we will never go as low as that. Another thing is, before I continue, guys, people say, Kenzo, they just WhatsApp me, Kenzo, can you send me the link? Come on, guys, we can't send you the link before you make the payment. Right, we are not running any charity currently. Maybe when we start to do that, I think I will let you know, guys. Plus, we just go live almost every day trying to help you. So if you need more than that, to me, I don't really understand. Anyways, we are on Euro USD. Let's see what's really happening here. I can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually like seriously pushing up and down. But on Euro USD, we can easily see that, yes, the market is still actually on an uptrend. The market is actually still on that uptrend. I tried to adjust this analysis. You can see what's really happening. Then where we are now, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push to the upside. Don't forget that we also have to check our economic news for this week from Monday until Friday, right? So I'm still expecting maybe already the market touched this area. It's our support, obviously. I think the market will actually keep pushing to the upside. I think with our previous, I no longer remember if our analysis was maybe, no, it's not this one. I thought maybe we already broke out here. We had an analysis where the market actually broke out of that support, but I think we need to adjust that. So now actually I can say we are still on that uptrend, and it seems like the market actually respected that support area. It seems to be trying to do what? To keep pushing to the upside again. Or if maybe the dollar's gonna get stronger, we will see it breaking out here and starting to give us those bearish momentum or bearish vibes, right? So around this area we also had something. I think you can see that that was an area that you should look at. Actually, it's where the market came back and respect and start to push the upside. I hope you see that. If you actually join my mentorship, that is actually what you're going to learn, stuff like that. Oh, I was actually talking about GBPJPY when I say the breakout. So, but let's check what's really happening here. I think everything is just straightforward. I don't know if maybe I need to adjust my... I don't think I need to. I thought maybe I should adjust my my support area. So it doesn't seem like that. It seems like everything's still fine. So what's really happening is we can easily see that, yes, the market was actually still pushing to the upside. You can see we have a very nice support area. So the market kept doing that, and I see that the market came very closer to our support. You can see the market was playing around the support. Guess what? the market started to do what? The market broke out very quick, and I thought maybe, oh, that's because we broke out of this. Actually, it's double support, a diagonal and also horizontal. If you can see that, we have a horizontal one, which is this one actually, and also this a long time one. Then the market broke out and it closed below that area with like multiple candlesticks. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame, so we were ready to do what? To push the upside, sorry, to the downside, sorry. Guess what? The market just changed very quick. So last week, guys, the market was moving like seriously crazy. So the market did that and reversed very like seriously aggressive. And I think we had a sell pending order, if I still remember. And then the market just bounced back. So it means on Monday, we just need to relax and see what's really happening. And maybe we will have a very good understanding what's really happening. We had some serious economic news, guys. We had some serious economic news, and this is what we actually have. On top there, we can have something like that and say, okay, we see that we actually have this resistance, but also this diagonal resistance still makes sense. You see that? It still makes sense. But anyways, we will just wait and see. It seems like the market is ready to push the upside. We will see that tomorrow. So let's push to the next one. This one also created some very crazy structures. You can see that, yes, the market is been actually pushing to the upside. Very nice, by the way. Let me just go on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame. Please, guys, if you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Your subscription means a lot, guys. The account will be growing very nice, and we'll be meeting you guys who are actually need some help in the market. Plus, just imagine we update AO every day, almost every day, also on a live session. So which means someone can learn 1 or 2 things, right? So you can see that on a daily time frame, we have a very nice support area. You can see the market touched twice there. Even here is twice. Around this area is also twice. So that is actually something. So the market actually tried to do something there because we had some economic news. The market started going down, up, down, whatever. And also we ended up getting confused, you see. And once you get confused, somehow along the way, the market started to slap. The market started to punch us, you see. But that is part of the game. So what's really happening here is when we go closer, we had a very nice structure, guys. We had a very nice structure showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm pushing to the upside until we see a breakout here. Then we said, okay, maybe now the market wants to do what? Maybe the market wants to push to the lowest side. Unfortunately, that did not actually happen like that. But I just say the fact that we were right, especially during FOMC, we were right about selling the market. But after that, the market just played games with us and we ended up getting out. Guess what? The market came back very aggressively in our favor. And unfortunately, we were already out. But for now, since the market is creating stuff like this, it's actually because of fundamentals, guys. If you don't really understand, gold is one of aggressive pairs. And the reason behind that is it's also a sort of a reserve commodity. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's actually a reserve commodity because people who actually sell dollar, they mostly reserve their capital and they buy gold. So if there is a small move or any fundamental that affects the dollar or affects the gold, quickly people they taking out their cash buying the other one, whether the dollar or the gold, very quick. So that's why even small economic news like maybe retail sales, the market will still spike. Unemployment claims, the market will still spike, or maybe jobless claims, CPI, it will just go crazy, everything. So when you check other pairs, the pairs they were just chilling, they were not even going anywhere. But gold, it was just going going crazy, you see. So what we have now is, I think it's time I need to clear everything. The market played games with us. So what we can do is we can try to redraw our trends here and start to see what's really happening. On top here, I think we have a resistance area. we need to draw that, right? So on the bottom side, I don't think we have much. The market just touched this resistance here, and I start to realize that we also had it a little bit back there. So it seems like the market actually is respecting that. You can see that. So which means we might see the market pushing towards that support before we see another push to the upside. Yes, the market might play games like it's pushing to the upside, but we can easily see the market was pushing up, touch the area, another resistant area, pushing lower again. So maybe the market will push up, break out, or maybe the market will push lower. But I think another thing is going to be NFP this week. Actually, I will be showing you that at the end of this video. So let's push to the next one, guys. We have a limited special. I know there's people who just skipped straight to US30 and NASDAQ. Guys, we have something actually for you here on YouTube. You can just join for 350 rands. This, it's in dollars, this in South African rands, right? So if you want to be part of the team, just know this is lifetime. You pay once you relax, and this is limited, by the way. So for mentorship, for those who are tired, they're always confused in the market, or maybe they know how to analyze, but they still don't really have that confidence, or they're still losing, they are not consistent. Just say maybe within 3 months you are not consistent. Maybe at the end of the day you always deposit. Even if you think you know, yeah, that is a problem. Unfortunately, that might be a habit, and you might not see that, but the results will say something. If your results are saying something else, So if you know that maybe you've been struggling, actually maybe you learn so much, but you're still not consistent. I think you need someone who can actually help you to start to be consistent. Maybe the problem is risk management. Maybe you are not confident enough. You get early out of your profits. Sometimes you don't actually take those trades that you think maybe they will actually push in profit, but you don't get there. You don't actually enter. A few minutes later, the market moved in that direction. And most of the time, I can say in general, mostly you lose 60% of the time, but you're just winning 10%. At the end of the day, you end up blowing the account. If you are on that road, it's better for you to get a mentorship. Listen on this one. It's not like maybe you're forced to say, okay, Kenzo, I will join Kenzo. No, you can actually go to anyone who you think maybe they're gonna help you. As long as you're going to squeeze your learning process, just invest in yourself. If you see yourself, maybe you never withdrawn anything within a month, or maybe within 2 months, within 3 months, whatever, you need some help. Signals, yes, they will help, but sometimes I think it's good when you understand doing things by your own. Like when you know that, okay, even if Kenzo doesn't really send the signals, I will still actually understand and go and analyze and take the trades. I think this is something. I also took time to have a mentorship, but I started to realize that, if I did, I was going to squeeze almost 2 to 3 years of learning. I tried to learn things on YouTube, and which is good, but the information is not sorted in a good order where you can just actually learn very quick. You see, I hope you understand that. So it's actually $99. I will be teaching you for 4 months. You are not forced to join only Kenzo. There's other mentors out there who can actually help you on this one, right? So yeah, but you can still join me, by the way. So if you want automated trading, this one I think is good for people who actually work. If you know you're working, you don't actually have enough time to trade, Prime EA is for you. I think it's very, very, very safe. It's not aggressive. It's not hedging. It's not doing martingale. So even if maybe you have funded account, you can use it. You see, simple as that. So just WhatsApp me if you want this. This special, guys, it's limited. It's limited, and it's meant for everyone out here. I saw that I left with very few people, like almost 20 to reach 6,000 subscribers. So please, can we make that possible? Please smash that subscribe button. You That means a lot, actually. Thank you very much. So let's go on US30. What's really happening on US30? US30 Dow Jones Industrial. So yes, things were a bit complicated around Thursday, Friday. But what I like is, if we go back here, you can easily see that, yes, the market has been struggling around the same area. I can even push a little bit lower. You can see. So the market has been actually respecting this area for quite some time. Guess what? We broke out. For the first time in almost, maybe, let me see. For the first time since, let's see. The market reached this thing for the first time, I think, in 2 years or 1 year. Let's see. Since January 2020 something, the market never reached that area. So that's something else. That's seriously very, very good. So which shows us that, you know what, the market is now trying to push the upside. We saw the market breaking out here, then the market started to push the upside. Where we are now, it seems like the market actually the time when they release the interest rates, we thought maybe the market will then push aggressively lower, but you know what, we did wait for the conference after 8:30 there. Then the market did not really push much, but we saw a nice sell. Now it seems like the market will just play around here, which is going to be a sort of consolidation. You can see on the bottom side we have a sort of a support. On top here we marked this area as our resistance. If the market breaks that, obviously we're going to take a buy there. If not, it means we're going to take our buy around these areas, around once the market bounces back from this support. I hope you see that. Or maybe the market will just push lower. We don't know what will happen on Friday, which is NFP, guys, which is NFP. So yeah, we did have some losses along the way, unfortunately, and which is part of the game. So yeah, but on NASDAQ we smashed that. We did try to recover 1 or 2 what we lost actually last week. We did have a very nice push to the upside, even though we did get it late, but you know what, it was a very nice a zone to take that entry. You can see the market even touched our TP there if they did hold up to that point, right? So yes, I'm still, let me remove that. So what's really happening here is, yes, we can easily see, I think we also did it on USDJPY, I think. So on the bigger picture here, we can easily see that, yes, the market is still on a very nice uptrend. We saw that they increased the rates, but I think the message was mixed there. They said they will increase the rates or pause according to the data that they're going to the data that they're going to have, especially CPI, core CPI. Hey, then that is actually confusing because we don't actually know what will happen. But what I see here is the market did not really care much. I see the market. What I like is the market already gave us a support area and the market respected that several times. And it seems like the market will be trying to push the upside. We have a smaller resistance there. So the market might still break that and we will continue pushing the upside. And if it pushes up, we also have another area there. This is not like a strictly strong resistance. You have to remember that. So just because the market created a higher high, it doesn't make that a higher high. It's not a must. It's not actually a must to be a resistance. The market can just pass that very easy, you see. So that's what we see now. I will just mark this area. If the market gets out there, I will think about actually looking for a very nice buy. Or maybe the market will try to reverse and push the upside. Guys, I will repeat. We are heading to 6,000. I'm hoping that maybe this year we'll reach even maybe 10,000K because of you. And to say thank you, guys, you can join my team for $20, which is actually 350 if you are in South Africa. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want mentorship, let me know. Tomorrow we still go. Oh, sorry, I forgot to go to straight to the news. I forgot, and I always forget. I don't know why. So let's see. Okay, tomorrow is Monday. We have interest rates from Australia. It seems like they're going to increase those rates. jobs opening for US. Sorry, not tomorrow. On Tuesday. On Tuesday, sorry. On Monday, we don't actually have anything. On Monday, we don't actually have anything. You can see that. So, New Zealand employment change. This is also good, but hey, it's very late. We can wake up if we want and try to trade that on Wednesday. So, let's see. Thursday. GBP. I see them increasing the interest rates on Thursday, 1 p.m. I think we need to check this one out. So, let's check the other ones. Okay. Unemployment claims for US, that is also good. We're going to check that it will move the market, especially gold. And remember, guys, this happens actually every week. Unemployment claims. So on Friday, we have unemployment for Canada and US, as we call it, NFP. So sometimes I think it's very hyped. Sometimes it doesn't really move the market that much. So I'm not really happy for it. So I can say maybe I'll just focus on jobless claims, or you can just call it unemployment claims, right? So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you actually tomorrow early in the morning. Bye.